Alright, these are our serving rotations. When we're in rotation 1, our setter's in right back. So when our setter's starting off serving, here's what we're going to do. Basically, you're getting ready for base defense. Our outside, this is our base defense for outside. This is our base defense for our libero and middle back. Our right side and our outside are going to switch. So after the ball served, outside comes over here, right side comes over here, middle stays there. And then the setter is going to come right here to base defense. Ball served, base defense. Right side, middle, outside, outside, libero, setter. This is our regular base defense. And then after side out again, we rotate. And now our outside is going to be serving. And so when our outside serves, our setter is just going to hang out right here in base defense. Our libero is going to hang out in middle back, base defense. Our outside is already where the outside is supposed to be. So the middle and the right side need to get ready to cross. And it looks like that. So after the ball served, right side come here, middle kind of hang out in the middle. And the setter and the libero are already in their place. Outside's already in their place. Ball served, base defense. Easy peasy. Outside goes to base defense here. Libero, setter, right side, middle, outside. Regular base defense. Then we're going to rotate. Rotation 3. Our libero serves in rotation 3. So our setter cannot cross our outside, and our outside can't cross the setter until the ball is served. But they're basically going to switch and go to base defense. Middle needs to be here, outside needs to be here, and right side just hangs out here. After the libero serves, goes to middle back. And it looks like this. See, setter getting ready to cross over here. Outside's going to cross over there. Outside's getting ready here. And right side's ready, middle here. And after the ball's served, they move into base defense. Just like that. Setter, libero, outside, outside, middle, right side. And that's it.